going to discuss a case of angioplasty across the stent through the bore or the holes of the stent, which has been done. I am Dr. Vivek Gupta, cardiologist, Delhi Apollo Hospital. There was a patient who was 23-year-old, and patient has got a in-stent restenosis in the LAD to diagonal stent. LAD to diagonal stent is a very strange phenomena. It has been done somewhere outside the hospital, somewhere other hospital. Patient also received the RCA stent, which is patent. So I would like to show you how now the in-stent restenosis in the LAD diagonal stent, and therefore this patient will require to be having a compromising both LAD and diagonal. तो हमको stent लगाना पड़ेगा LAD to LED through the bore of the one of the bore of the stent. अब ये हम दिखाते हैं कि this is what we have done, and you are lucky with the whisper wire. So this is we have put a stent in the wire in the diagonal, and then another whisper wire went quite easily against our thought process. Very easily it went into the LED, and now we are doing a pre-dilatation. Pre-dilatation was good with the 1.5 millimeter balloon. I did not go more than 1.5 because I am always scared that patient may have dissection. So 1.5 had restored the flow in both diagonal. I have not gone into the diagonal at all. I have gone into the LED, and then you can see the good flow, and then we went on to stent 2.5 millimeter into 18 millimeter stent, and this is the after putting in a Corendil. Final result is perfect. In fact, both diagonal and LED are restored completely. Post dilatation, not post dilatation, same balloon with the 18 atmospheres, and now this is the final result. So the perfect final result has been achieved in this patient. So the challenge was to cross from one of the holes of the stent which was previously deployed from LED to diagonal, and which we have achieved successfully, and the patient is perfectly all right. And I would like to show you the patient here. This is our cath lab area. The procedure has been done through the radial route, and radial artery se kiya hai. The parameters are perfectly all right, 159/83, and heart rate is 97, saturation is 99. So we have done with the radial route. Although this was a little complex angioplasty, but I prefer to do radial, and the patient is okay. अभी पहले गाना इनका मिस हो गया था, अब गाना गा सकते हैं. आखिरी के 10 सेकंड रह गए हैं, 20 सेकंड 20 सेकंड. गाना गाइए.
तेरी गलियों में न रखेंगे कदम आज के बाद.
The patient is singing a song. That means perfect. Patient is all right. I am very happy to have